Hello everyone. So yeah, after a long time, but now I will be continuing. So this video is about the Radix sort algorithm. I will explain everything about what is Radix sort, how does it work, and how to code your own Radix sort solution using Typescript. So what is Radix sort? So first let me tell you, it is a non-comparison based sorting algorithm. Alright. So it is like it is non-comparison sorting algorithm. Why so? Because it sorts numbers by processing the individual digits. Okay, so all the numbers that are present inside the array, those will be processed individually, and digit by digit means like one by one they will be processed. And there is a concept of LSD, least significant digit, and MSD, most significant digit, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Alright, now this algorithm will use a stable sorting algorithm like typically counting sort or something that also you will be learning in this video, and that will be used to sort the digits. Okay, so what are the steps? First, it will find the maximum number to determine the number of digits. All right, so the first step is that find the max number. All right, second, for each digit position from least significant to most significant, what happens is that, so second one, for each digit position, what happens is it will sort based on current digit and then maintain the order of numbers with the same digit and maintain the order of the numbers with same digit. Alright, if you are not able to understand what is it, don't worry, it's completely fine. Even I struggled. Now after processing all digits, this array will be sorted. Alright, so once all digits are processed, this will be sorted. Okay, got it. Now, right, what about the time complexity? So here time complexity will be, for best case, it will be O of digit into n length of the array and plus k. Alright, wait, what is k? K is the base. Okay, like for decimal numbers it is 10, right? Like this. Space complexity will be O(n plus k. O of n plus k. Now, what will be the worst case scenario? Worst case scenario will be same only. Alright, average, best, worst will be same. Best case same as worst. Got it? Yeah. So this is the theory part of the Radix sort algorithm. And now, what we are gonna do is we are gonna implement this. Alright. Let's start implementing the Radix sort algorithm. I will create a function. Alright, we don't need to export. Const Radix sort. Alright, so it will take an array as an argument and this will return the same. Alright, const array equals to like this. Now So if like length of the array is less than equals to 1, then we will simply return the array. And first we will find the maximum. So const max equals to match.max ARR. So we found the maximum number, and now we will do the counting sort. But how are we going to do it? So for let first experiment equals to 1 match.floor max by exp. You can name it whatever, and it should be greater than 0, and then equals to 10. This is the base. Like this second step, like the start of the second step, what we discussed. Based on the current digit, like this. Now here inside what we are going to do, we will be creating another function. Okay, so this will be the now function because we will be using it here. So counting sort by digit, and we'll take an array, and then it will take this the addition number that we have here. Okay, let's store it here, and this output equals to new array. Let's insert no special values, simply create a new array with this length, and count. Let's take 10. Okay, const count equals to new array 10 dot fill 0, array of length 10, and all the elements are now 0. All right, and what will happen is, first what we are going to do is we are going to store the count of occurrences in this count array. All right, so equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Now again match dot flow I exp %10 is taking modulus plus plus. All right, again this second step is being repeated. What's the issue here? Object is possibly undefined. Yeah, I know that object can be undefined, but we will be adding the assertion so that Typescript error is gone, because like we know that in our algorithm it will never be undefined. Okay, now first we did that, and now what we are going to do is that in this count array we will change this current number of this count array so that it contains the actual position of this digit in output. Okay, in the output array. So for let I equals to 1, I will be less than 10 now, we are taking 10 as base, and I plus plus. Alright, count I will become plus equals to count I minus 1. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to build the output array now. Okay, don't worry, when you will get the code you will get the comments and the complete description as well, so that you can always refer later. Now building the output array. Right, for let I will now start from n minus 1. Alright, and I is greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. Const digit, crucial step guys, will be maths.floor arr I by exp and its modulus. Now output will be count digit minus 1 equals to arr I, and digit minus minus. Okay, yeah, and now we will be copying this built output array to the arr. Final step, equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus arr I equals to output I. Got it? And now here what we are going to do, exp like this. Got it? That's it. And now I'm gonna run it. Okay, so let's say like const arr equals to 3 4 3 2 44 5 6 7 32, again 32, now 12 1 0 9 3 8. All right, and wait, first console.log the original array, and then we are gonna sort it. And now sorted. All right, should we run it? Yeah, and look at that, it got sorted. This was the original array, and 0 1 2 3 3 5 8 9 12 32 32 44 67. Got it? So this is how it works. Now let's go through it again. Okay, first we check this array length, and now we found the max digit because we have to find the max digit. All right, we found the max digit. Now for each digit position, sort based on current digit and maintain the order of the numbers with same digit. All right, so That is the step that is being happened here. Got it? Here, based on this max digit, I like dividing it, and if it is greater than 0, as long as it is greater than 0 means the iteration still has to go on, and here you are multiplying it by base only. Okay, and since you are multiplying here by base, then going by 10 by 10, here that is the reason you are doing this modulus. So first you added values to the count array, and then what you did for the count array, you just change the values inside the count so that it contains the actual position of the digit in the output array when you are going to build it in the next step. And now when you build it, here you reduce this by 1 for actual position, and it decreases, and now here you simply copied all the values. Okay, and that is how this Radix sort algorithm works. The repository link is already going to be provided to you, so don't worry at all, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.